The Air Jordan 1 midsole, Enigma Stone, coconut milk and particle rose brings a refined, understated look that blends classic Jordan DNA with modern elegance. This colorway stands out with its soft, layered palette, mixing sail white, gray Enigma Stone overlays, and subtle rose accents for a calm, premium vibe. Its coconut milk midsole adds warmth, while the slightly deeper rose outsole grounds the design with balance and depth. The leather upper showcases varied textures, from smooth toe panels to lightly grained overlays, enhanced by clean stitching that highlights each shape. Its mid-cut build delivers just the right ankle volume, maintaining the iconic 1985 lineage while offering a more relaxed, everyday-ready feel. Designed to blend naturally with streetwear, this pair offers quiet sophistication and effortless versatility. With harmonious layering, a graceful silhouette, and a soft visual flow, the AJ1 Mid in this palette is perfect for those who appreciate subtle beauty and modern minimalism.